Alright, here we have a cord box fan that Zach brought down to, I don't know, he brought it down for me to look at. So, he bought it at one of the flea markets in Toledo. It's a kind of an oddball because ain't got no switch on it. It's a 3 metal blade. It's a cord, which I don't know too much about them. It's a model CR-141, 75 watts, 115 volts, 50-60 cycles. Cord Manufacturing Company, New York, New York. So I want to say this is like early frigid, maybe? I don't know. I know they were from New York. It's got a motor. I don't know what kind of motor, but it's a motor. I don't see a tag on it anywhere. And yeah, and what makes this one weird is it has a inline switch instead of a knob on the top like most box fans. So, it's a single speed fan, 122 volts, dang. Anyway, so here's on. And it's actually a pretty powerful fan. Moves good air. Seems like with most of these older box fans, they kind of move more air out than they do in the center. But anyway, it's drawing 1.66 amps, 118 watts, and yeah, pretty neat fan. I don't know if I've ever seen another one of these. But anyway, OFF spells off. Ain't much to it. No medium, no low. So off we go. I did oil it for him and kind of clean it up a little bit. It wasn't that dirty, but, you know, why not? So there you have it, a cord 14-inch box fan by the looks of it. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. God bless.